Hello everyone, it's me again, Esnaira, and welcome back to my YouTube channel and also to my Facebook page. So for today's video ay magluluto tayo ng Idam na Bamia Arabian style recipe. So my ingredients: karne, tomato sauce, onion and garlic, and bamia or okra, Arabian style recipe. And ready na yung kaldero, medyo mainit na. Add butter, garlic, and onion. Mix well. Hintayin natin maging brown konti. And mix well again para hindi masunog. And isunod natin yung karne or meat. Add tomato sauce. And mix well. And papakuluin natin ng mga 10 minutes. Medyo kumukulo na masyado. And add ingredients. Add another tomato sauce. And mix again. And isunod ang bamia or okra. Mix well again. And tatakpan natin ng mga 5 minutes para maluto na yung okra. And ready to eat!